we've come to the end where the radiator pipe is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a slot, a triangular slot into the wood. So first of all, I've got the piece of wood I'm going to use ready. I've just lined it up to the plank here. The other bits are all strapped down. What I'm going to do, just line it up here. So I'll get my square. So mark here. Right there. And then do a similar thing this way. So line it up there. Sort of gives an idea where the centre is. So the centre is about there. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take a 32mm drill bit and we're just going to drill the middle, and then we'll mark the markings for the actual triangular area. So the wood will come out and you can just slot back in again. 32mm, so you have enough expansion space around it in case of movement. So let me drill in there and I'll show you when I mark. Okay, here we have the hole now, just done. So what we'll do, we'll mark the triangular area as I mentioned before. So you want to get it as close to the circle as possible. The other thing, I'm going to do it with a jigsaw. Just use a thin blade of a jigsaw to do it. There you go. So I'll cut that now. Just show it again, hang on. So there you go, triangular area there. Okay, there we have the cut now. And the triangular area, if you see, just slots in there. So let me get the glue. Or actually, I need to cut this area off and then I'll glue it. So hang on. So I've cut the slight notch that was on the wood off with the multi-cutter. So I drilled into there, 32mm drill bit, used a jigsaw to cut these bits out, and a multi-cutter for these bits. Also I've cut it off the end of that as well. So let's glue it on. Let me apply the glue, hang on. Okay, glue in this notch here. Looks like there was a bit of damage in this area, so I've just pulled some of the bits of wood out of there. There you go, let's position it up. There you go. Obviously the big gap you have, it helps in just positioning it. And then we can use the tools to knock it in. That's that one. That's gone in. Let's just do that bit now. So if I take this one. Okay, one more knock I think. Strap it in. There you go, and then that, just slot in there. There you go. Not too bad, and the skirting board sitting on there, so it's not too bad. And then we'll just get a little bit of, you can get little round pipe finish bit. There you go. It might need to be raised up a little bit, so I can just put a bit of this underlay just to put it up just slightly, just so it's in line. So what I may do, I might put some glue on it, so it just sticks onto the finish. Isn't too bad. There you go. So let me start strapping it down, and I'll start doing the next pieces. Okay, so it's strapped down now. So what I'll do, I've got the triangular area. I've cut out a little template. Put it in there, see if that raises it. If it doesn't raise it enough, I'll cut another one. That's literally spot on. So what I'll do, take some glue, I'll keep it at the lower area. So as it gets squashed, it will just raise up and down, but hopefully it shouldn't come up too high. No. There you go. So wipe off any excess if you get any. Okay, there you go. That's it. Pretty much level. When I did the cut, there was a bit of a mess there, so I just used some sandpaper just to clean it up.